Why did you become a police officer? It probably wasn't to spend half your shift writing reports, copying information from one computer screen to another. And it certainly wasn't to become an expert in paperwork. Most officers chose this profession for one or more reasons: to solve problems, protect people, find the truth, and keep communities safe. Somewhere along the way, however, many officers became buried under administrative work. Artificial intelligence offers an opportunity to change that, not by replacing officers, but by helping them get back to what they do best. Think about Officer Rodriguez. She begins her shift with good intentions. Before lunch, she's handled a vehicle burglary, a domestic disturbance, and a suspicious person call. By the end of the day, she has 3 reports to write, photographs to upload, evidence to log, and follow-up emails waiting in her inbox. Her greatest challenge isn't solving the crimes, it's finding enough time to document them. Now imagine AI assisting throughout the process. It organizes her notes, structures her reports, and highlights missing information, and summarizes witness statements. Officer Rodriguez still reviews every word, verifies every fact, and is still accountable and responsible for whatever she forwards to supervisors that AI may have assisted. But instead of spending hours formatting paperwork, she spends more time solving problems. The public often evaluates policing based on effectiveness, community relations, and trust. Transparency and accountability are key factors, but experienced officers know that's only part of the job. Every day, officers solve problems that never make headlines, such as neighborhood disputes, missing children, repeat shoplifting patterns, and vulnerable elderly residents being exploited. Not to mention a domestic conflict that doesn't become a tragedy because someone intervened early. The best officers are problem solvers, and artificial intelligence doesn't change that mission. It strengthens it. AI can help officers organize complex investigations, identify connections across multiple reports, draft professional narratives, assist with search and arrest warrant preparation, and investigate leads that warrant closer scrutiny. The technology handles routine tasks, and the officer applies judgment, ethics, empathy, and experience. That's the partnership. Here's the mistake some agencies make. They ask, how can AI help us write reports faster? A better question is, how can AI give officers more time to solve the problems only people can solve? Because the real product of policing isn't paperwork, it's public trust, safer neighborhoods, and crimes prevented before they occur. AI should support those outcomes, not distract from them. The future won't belong to the departments with the most AI. It will belong to the departments that use AI to solve more problems, serve more people, and free officers to do the work only human beings can do. Artificial intelligence doesn't change the mission of policing. It helps officers fulfill it more effectively. The more value you see in AI, the better officer you will become.